Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today, we're diving deep into the features and performance of two exceptional power supplies, the Corsair RM750X and the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 Noctua Edition. We'll explore their specifications, efficiency ratings, noise levels, and pricing to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. When it comes to wattage, the Corsair RM750X offers a solid 750 watts, which is suitable for most mid-range builds. However, if you're looking for something that can handle more demanding setups, the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 provides a whopping 1,600 watts, making it an excellent choice for high-performance gaming rigs or workstations that require substantial power. This significant difference in wattage could be a deciding factor based on your system's needs. Efficiency is another crucial aspect to consider. The Corsair RM750X boasts an 80 PLS Gold certification, ensuring that it operates at a high efficiency level, reducing energy waste. On the other hand, the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 takes it a step further, with an 80 PLS titanium rating, which means it operates even more efficiently, making it a better choice for those who prioritize energy savings and lower electricity bills over time. Noise levels can significantly impact your computing experience, especially in quiet environments. The Corsair RM750X features a low-noise fan with a 0 RPM mode, ensuring silent operation during low loads. In contrast, the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 is designed for ultra-quiet performance, utilizing a Noctua fan that is renowned for its near-silent operation. This makes the TX-1600 an ideal choice for users who want a whisper-quiet system. In conclusion, both the Corsair RM750X and the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 Noctua Edition have their strengths. The RM750X is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious builders who need reliable performance, while the TX-1600 is perfect for those seeking maximum efficiency and power for high-end systems. Be sure to consider your specific needs and budget when making your decision. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.